Welcome to our in-depth look at Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR. This innovative technique allows for the removal of dents without the need for paint or fillers. It's a highly efficient and cost-effective solution for minor damage. We're currently working on a 2015 Ford F150 with hail damage, and we're using the art of Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, to restore it to its original condition. For this repair process, we've removed the hood and performed R&I, which stands for Remove and Install, on the headliner to access the necessary panels. PDR is a highly effective method for removing hail dents, door dings, and minor damage, without the need for paint or fillers. This process ensures a seamless repair, preserving the original finish of your vehicle. If you're wondering whether your vehicle is a good candidate for paintless dent repair, stop by our shop at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. We'll be happy to provide you with a free estimate in our state-of-the-art estimating bay. Call us at 325-703-6149 to schedule your appointment today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn more about the benefits of paintless dent repair and see real repairs in action. Let Angelo Dent Removal Inc. help bring your car back to life.